Got it here, 20 volt, D-volt radiator. Oh wow, nice, comes with the batteries. Looks like that. That's okay because I have a couple of other one fully charged. Oh wow, nice, comes with batteries and everything. I'll take that. So more D-volt tools, more batteries. So looks like it's folding one. That's pretty crazy. Let's look at this part right here. Yeah, it's self-feeding steering. Cool. Whenever you need more steering, you just pull it up. Seems to be pretty easy. I'm probably not even gonna put this on for now. Just that. Okay, out of the box, extremely easy. Assemble it, just 2 pieces. Only install one. First of all, the center of gravity. Let's figure it out where it's at. Nice, so like around here, right, almost in the middle. So just gonna grab it. You see, that's what you kind of want, right in the middle. So that's why one end is not too heavy versus the other one. But I would say this end right here a little bit too heavy. But yeah, the button is really comfortable. You press it right here and down. Very powerful. But again, that engine is kind of heavy. I wish this end was a little bit less heavy. This end is too light. I usually opposite. This is too heavy and this too light. So I almost have to hold it up this end. So kind of minus about that. But anyways, let's chop it up and see how it works. Everything about the electric radiators, they're supposed to be light. Yes, this end is too light this time, and this end is too heavy because looks like the motor is at the end. But that's my opinion. I feel like whenever I was putting to the test like Makita radiator, it was a lot lighter the end of it. Gotta read it around the house. Grass goes here crazy fast. Maybe I should put cover back on because it's spinning and making a mess everywhere. It's extremely powerful, that's for sure. Oh yeah, allergies is eating me up. The only problem is this longer grass sometimes does get in between this thing, in between the motor over here. So it'll be fun cleaning it up. But let's keep on going. New batteries, as you can see, it's full. And let's see if it works. Oh yeah. Oh look, there's a low and high. Low and high feels the same. Let's go on low now. Okay, one more test by the road over here. Let's see. That thing is powerful. Power, for sure, very power. Also, I would wear some really thick pants because all that stuff is flying at your legs, or I would put the cover so it doesn't fly everywhere, so I don't look like that, because that thing is insanely powerful. I really like that a lot. So all you have to do is unclip it, and check this out. You can fold it and store it into your garage. Will not take too much space. Whenever you wanna set it back up, check this out. Just lock it in. Again, to unclip it, all you have to do is just push this pin forward and unclip it. Gonna have to go like that. Boom, fold it. Pretty awesome. I also took the batteries out because I probably will be charging it. Pretty amazing, love it. Also has a little bit of glass in the gear over there, but it comes off pretty easily after it's spinning. Also, I like this string is very, very powerful, and I put the guard on because the glass going too much everywhere. So yeah, pretty awesome, love it.